Cochise Fpv here, back again with another addition to the Q.T.G. We got obstacle number 4. Sorry about the wind. It's either windy as hell or raining. So I mean, I can't catch a break. So we're doing it like this. Sorry about the wind. So I found this unique item. Let me bring it over to you and show you what it is. There it is, an 8-foot steel wagon wheel. Found it from one of them roadside antique dealers, you know, junk dealer. But anyways, this thing is all steel. It's 8 foot tall. I'm gonna call it the Wheel of Pain because I'm not gonna pad it up. I'm just gonna let the pain be what the pain is. Yeah, I say that now. I'm talking tough until I break the hell out of everything so much that I can't wait to pad it up. So we'll see how that goes. But anyways, pretty cool item. I mean, I can't believe nobody else wanted an 8-foot steel wagon wheel. It's a good thing I got there in time. So let me show you the drawing. Some Cochise beautiful artwork here. So here she is, the Wheel of Pain. So she's gonna be mounted on these 4x4s. She'll be a total height of around 14 to 15 feet at the top of the wheel. And I'm gonna make this 3-tier gate on the side, which is going to be a 36, a 30, and a 24 3-tier gate, all one continuous piece. Should be pretty fun to twist that up, huh, onto the black pipe. But let me show you some of the stuff. So these 12-foot 4x4s, the 8-foot wagon wheel, and I'm going to paint the wagon wheel with some of this paint right here. I'm going to cold galvanize it first, keep it from rusting anymore, and then I'm going to do a colorful kind of a artistic paint job on it so it's real visible, easy to see when you're trying to dive through it and go through the gaps. Here's my black pipe for twisting up that 3-tier gate and all the fittings. That's going to be pretty tough to do, I think, but I'm up for it. You know me. So I'll get started. I'm going to cut this 4x4 down to 8 foot, start twisting on this black pipe, and then start painting. So I'll show you some of that, and of course it's going to have to be split into a couple of parts. All right, let's cut this down 8 foot. Pretty simple shit. On second thought, I think I want a little more in the ground. So I'm going to add another foot to it. No, I'll add another half a foot to it. So we'll go 8.5 feet on this. That way I got 30 inches of it in the ground and I still got 6 foot above. Glad I caught myself before I did that. I would have regretted that, I'm sure. There we go. Done. So I'm going to leave this for the full 14 because I'll put 3 feet of it in the ground and then I'll have 11 feet above it. That'll put me 1 foot above center on this wheel. I think that'll be good. I'll have plenty of space to attach my hardware to hold it together. All right, so these guys are going to go on top of the 8-footer. The wheel slips right between these, perfect. And then I'll have a secure bolt right here. And that's going to be to hold it on top of the 8-footer. So it'll be sitting on top of that. And then it will be tethered to the longboard. And I'm going to use these guys to secure it to this. So the wheel will be in here. We'll pinch her down against it. That should make it pretty strong to withstand the wind. So that's how that's going to go. So I'm going to start twisting on these pipes. Here we got a couple of 36ers. First thing to do, I found out, is to twist down your base, your feet. Get those twisted on nice. Oh, look at the baby. I was out riding with the wife, so I put the sissy bar and the 2-seater on there. Doesn't look as cool as it does with the single seat, but you know, what do you do when your woman wants to go for a ride? The old pipe wrench. What a useful tool. Oop, she's moving on me. Yeah, well, she's a tight fit on these ones. So yeah, she wants to move on me. Can't have that. Get her close, couple threads away from coming out the bottom. That way you know she's in there good.